Welcome to all guys. Uh, Today we are going to see the ambiguity or challenges in NLP. Already there is a video uploaded for stages of NLP as well as introduction of NLP, history of NLP. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the ambiguities or challenges of NLP. Okay, so this particular question, the ambiguities or challenges of natural language processing, this will be question come for the 10 marks. Okay, if you see in the Mumbai University question paper, you will understood this particular question is asking for 10 marks in university exam. Okay, especially in Mumbai University exam. So there will be some challenges or some ambiguities while we are doing the operation of on the natural language. Okay, so in the processing of natural language there will be some challenges and the ambiguities. First we understand the what is the meaning of ambiguity. The ambiguity is nothing but the particular word or particular sentence having more than one meaning. Okay, it can be a two meaning, it can be a three or more than that. Okay, so we have to pretend a exact what the meaning to process further. Okay, so for that we have to remove the ambiguity. So for removing the ambiguity we know what are the ambiguities. Okay, so ambiguity is what more than one meaning of word, or you can say any kind of sentence. Okay, so these are the types of ambiguity which are present in NLP. Okay, lexical ambiguity, syntactic ambiguity, semantic ambiguity, anaphoric ambiguity, and the pragmatic ambiguity. Before going to detail in this ambiguity, I just want to say what is the ambiguity. I will just tell you in detail. Okay, so the what is the ambiguity means what actually we seen already. Ambiguities is means more than one meaning. So just we have one example for that. There are two levels of ambiguity, one at the word level and another at the sentence level. Okay, so example, if word level ambiguity is, then what kind of sentence should be there, or what kind of word should be there. There is a, in this particular two sentence, if you seen, the word is right is a common word. Okay, in between the all two sentence, both the two sentence, the right word is common. Okay, now the first sentence I read, your answer is right. Okay, and the another sentence is, we have to take right turn at the next signal. Now if you see in the both the sentence, the right word is a common and the spelling of also that right word is same, means the right is the same word which we use in both the sentence, but the meaning of that right word is different in the both sentence. If you see in the first sentence, your answer is right means what, your answer is correct. Okay, you get out of marks because your answer is right. Right means correct, your answer is correct, so the meaning of this particular right is correct. And we have to take right turn at the next signal, means we have to take right turn like this, we have to take right turn. So the meaning of these two right word is different in different sentence, so that is called as word level ambiguity. Because what, because of this word only, because of this word having two meaning, the sentence got have different meaning. So because of this word only, the ambiguities happen. Okay, so this called as the word level ambiguity. And sentence level ambiguity means what, there is a one single sentence which having more than one meaning. There is a no word having the different meaning, but the sentence itself having the more than one meaning. Suppose the sentence, the example like this, I saw a man on hill with telescope. Now if you see in this particular sentence, in that we can consider the man having a telescope, or which the man or this particular person having a telescope to see that particular man. Okay, so this particular sentence having more than one meaning, we cannot apply key on which with the telescope, with whom the telescope is there. Okay, so that is two levels, or you can say two levels of ambiguity is present, that is word level and sentence level, and on that basis only these types are described, which are I'm showing over here. First is lexical ambiguity, second is syntactic ambiguity, third one is semantic ambiguity, fourth one is anaphoric ambiguity, and fifth one is pragmatic ambiguity. If you seen the first lectures, that is stages of NLP. In that you can see the lexical ambiguity, lexical stage, that is morphological stage. If you see in the second, that is syntactic stage. If you see in fourth, that is third, that is semantic stage, and then pragmatic and discourse. Means if you uh, analyze the answer, if you understood that in every stage there will be an ambiguity, in every stage there will be a challenge for the processing on the natural language. Okay, so it is very simple to understand or simple to remember. If you know the all the stages of NLP, you can easily remember the challenges of NLP because it is related to their stages only. Okay, so first stage, that is morphological or lexical analysis. Within that stage, which kind of ambiguity we have to face, that we see over here. If you seen over here, lexical ambiguity means what? Word having more than one meaning. Okay, a single word which having more than one meaning. There are many words are present in many languages. Means not, if you consider about the English language, in English language there are many words which we can use for multi-purpose meaning. Okay, so suppose we are considering, I am considering one example over here. Suppose word like ring. Okay, so in that ring, if you see, I write over here three sentence: a beautiful diamond ring on her left hand. Okay, here is also same word ring. I heard phone ring. Now here ring means what? The ring which you wear into the fingers. Okay, and heard a phone ring means what? The ring which, or the bell which uh, for you, for the phone ring. Okay, and then third one is soldier formed a protective ring around the camp. Means a protective circle around the camp. So in that, in all these three sentences, the ring word is common word, but the meaning of that ring is totally different in every sentence. So that is known as lexical ambiguity. So how we define this, how to overcome this, that will be a challenges, or that will be a fundamental things of natural language processing. Okay, so this is first, that is lexical ambiguity. Now the second, syntactic ambiguity. The syntactic ambiguity means what? A single sentence parsed with two or more than two conditions. Okay, मीन्स एक सेंटेंस से हम लोग वो सेंटेंस एक से ज़्यादा दो कंडीशन में पास कर सकते हैं, उस हिसाब से वो सेंटेंस रहेगा. मतलब एग्जांपल देख लो. इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड द एग्जांपल देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. जो अपना वो पुराना एग्जांपल था वही, आई सॉ अ मैन ऑन हिल विथ टेलीस्कोप. नाउ with this word with, only the syntax representation of with word we can change the parsing, or we can pass this sentence with help of syntax. I saw a man on hill with carrying telescope. Or the other sentence we can create here, I saw a man on hill with, यहाँ पे भी आएगा, through telescope. Okay, so with help of this word we can have pass the sentence in two, and that is called as syntactic ambiguity. Now next is semantic ambiguity. Now semantic ambiguity is what? Semantic ambiguity is nothing but the sentence have more than one meaning. Okay, एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो, क्योंकि हर सेंटेंस में हम लोग वही बता रहे हैं. इसमें थोड़ा माइनर चेंजेस है, जो चेंजेस यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी माइनर चेंजेस. ओके, सो इसमें क्या चेंजेस है कि जो फर्स्ट सिंटैटिक में क्या था, सिंटैक्स चेंज करने के बाद उसका मीनिंग चेंज हो रहा है. अभी यहाँ पे सिंटैक्स भी चेंज करने के बाद भी उसका मीनिंग वैसे ही रहने वाला है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिमेंटिक एम्बिग्यूटी. मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस का सिंटैक्स is right, but the meaning of that particular sentence is going to be a change. Okay, suppose the example is Shreya loves his mother and Deepak does too. अभी इसमें मैं कुछ भी करूँ सिंटैक्स वाइज तो ये पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस वाज राइट, बट द मीनिंग इज व्हाट? श्रेया लव्स हिज मदर एंड दीपक डज टू. अभी दीपक श्रेया के मदर को लाइक कर रहा है या खुद के मदर को लाइक कर रहा है, ये दोनों मीनिंग इसमें एग्जैक्टली आ रहा है. श्रेया लव्स हिज मदर एंड दीपक डज टू, मतलब वो श्रेया के मदर को लव्स कर रहा है या फिर खुद के मदर को लव्स कर रहा है, ये कंफ्यूजिंग पार्ट है. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सिमेंटिक एम्बिग्यूटी. सो नेक्स्ट, एनाफोरिक. एनाफोरिक एम्बिग्यूटी इज व्हाट? एनाफोरिक एम्बिग्यूटी मतलब क्या रहता है? फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू दैट एनाफोरिक मीन्स व्हाट, नाउन को प्रोनाउन से जब हम लोग कॉल करते हैं, मतलब ईट, ही, शी, ओके, लाइक दिस सब. और प्रोनाउन मीन्स व्हाट, मेरा नाम महेंद्र, सुशील, वॉट एवर, ओके, दैट इज नाउन. सो जब नाउन को हम लोग प्रोनाउन से कॉल करते हैं, व्हेन इट इज कॉल्ड नाउन विद द प्रोनाउन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज एनाफोरिक एम्बिग्यूटी. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ मैं. द बॉल इज ऑन द ग्राउंड, इट इज़ वेरी बिग. नाउ यहाँ पे इट जो लिखा है वो किसके लिए है? बॉल के लिए है कि ग्राउंड के लिए? ये यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजिंग है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एनाफोरिक एम्बिग्यूटी. समझ में आया? So ball is a noun, ground is also noun, but it किसके लिए यूज़ किया है? Ball is very big और ground is very big. It is not understanding or it is, we cannot tell कि वो it किसके लिए यूज़ किया है. So that is what anaphoric ambiguity. Okay. Then last one is pragmatic ambiguity. Now pragmatic ambiguity is what? Not specific सेंटेंस वी कैन से, और मोर यूजेस ऑफ वन सेंटेंस, मतलब उसी सेंटेंस के बहुत सारे यूज़ हो सकते हैं, डिपेंड ऑन द कंडीशन. और डिपेंड वो कैसे बोले, मतलब वहाँ पे कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं रहता है. मतलब अगर एग्जांपल हम लेंगे, आई विल हेल्प यू इन प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब मैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट में हेल्प करूँगा, लेकिन कब करूँगा, कितनी हेल्प करूँगा, 50% हेल्प करूँगा, 100% हेल्प करूँगा, हर दिन हेल्प करूँगा या वीक में एक बार हेल्प करूँगा, इट इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस कम अंडर इन प्रैग्मेटिक एम्बिग्यूटी. इट इसको डिस्कोर्स एम्बिग्यूटी भी बोल सकते हो आप. ठीक है. सो अनदर एग्जांपल हियर गिवन, गिव मी अ प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट. अब ये प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट देना है, आज देना है, कल देना है, परसों देना है, कितने पेज का देना है. देयर इज नथिंग स्पेसिफिकेशन ओवर हियर. पुलिस इन कॉलेज कैंपस, अभी पुलिस कॉलेज कैंपस में आई है, ठीक है, लेकिन क्यों आई है? ओके, एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड आई है, किसी का एग्ज़ाम चल रहा है इसके लिए आए हैं, या फिर कॉलेज ने खुद बुलाया उस पुलिस को, या फिर किसी और काम के लिए आई है. दैट विल बी अ many things. So the sentence which are not having a specific things, it is called as pragmatic ambiguity. Okay, so these are nothing but the challenges of NLP. I hope you will understood all those things. These are the challenges of NLP, which is having different types: lexical ambiguity, syntactic ambiguity, semantic ambiguity, anaphoric ambiguity, and pragmatic ambiguity. I hope you will understood this, and this is very important. It's carried 10 marks. So when you are writing in exam, you have to write with example, so you will get more marks, and proper explanation for each and every step, so you will get maximum marks in exam. Okay, thank you.